Did you know there's a medieval city in India that's literally frozen in time? स्वागत है आपका ओरछा फोर्ट में. Look at this royal flex. This entire palace was built for a single night's stay by the Mughal emperor. Imagine the grandeur of a kingdom building a masterpiece for just 24 hours. And it's no wonder this is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Every pillar here carries 500 years of untouched history. And look at this. You can still see the fresco paintings that have preserved their vibrant colors. This is the India you've been waiting to discover.